Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to disable sound for event changes and updates notifications on Facebook using your PC. If those notification sounds are getting annoying or distracting, this quick setting adjustment will help you stay focused while still keeping your notifications active. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the notifications icon, which looks like a bell. Go ahead and click on it. After opening the notifications panel, focus on the top section of that menu. You'll notice a small 3 dots icon. Click on those 3 dots to open more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage all your Facebook notification preferences in detail. Now, on the Notification Settings page, scroll down until you find the Events section. Facebook groups different notification types here, so keep scrolling until you locate it. Once you find Events, click on it to expand the settings. Inside, you'll see different options related to event activity, including changes and updates. Look for Changes and Updates and toggle it off. This will disable sound notifications for any updates related to events you're interested in or attending. That's it, you've successfully turned off sound alerts for event changes and updates on Facebook. This is especially useful if you want to reduce distractions without completely turning off notifications. You'll still receive updates just without the interruption of sound. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials on managing Facebook settings and improving your social media experience.